Hello students. Next example, solved by modified Euler's method the initial value problem dy by dx equal to 1 minus y with initial conditions y of 0 equal to 0. Choose h equal to 0.1 and compute y of 0.2. Here given differential equation is dy by dx equal to 1 minus y with initial condition y of 0 equal to 0. Now for Euler's formula, first we have to take y1 raised to 0 equal to y0 plus h f of x naught y0. y0 is 0 and x0 is 0. y0 0 plus h is 0.1 into f of x0 is 0 and y0 is 0, where h equal to 0.1, x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 0. Therefore 0 plus 0.1 into f of xy is 1 minus y, so f of 0 0 is 1 minus y is 0, so 1 minus 0 equal to 0 plus 0.1 into 1 equal to 0.1. This is the 0th approximation of y1. Now if x1 equal to 0.1, because here x0 is 0 and h equal to 0.1, therefore x1 equal to 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1. Then f of x1 y1 0 equal to f of x1 is 0.1, y1 raised to 0 is 0.1, which is equal to f of xy is 1 minus y. This is nothing but the f of xy. So f of 0.1 is 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1 equal to 0.9. Since f of xy equal to 1 minus y, here x is 0.1, y is 0.1, so 1 minus y is 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.9. By modified Euler's method, the iteration formula is y1 raised to n plus 1 equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 raised to n running from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Formula is y1 raised to n plus 1 equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 raised to n. This is nothing but the n plus 1th approximation value of y1. For n equal to 0, formula becomes y1 raised to 1 equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 raised to 0 equal to y0 is x0 is 0, y0 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0.1 and y1 raised to 0 equal to 0.1. Also f of x1 y1 raised to 0 equal to 0.9 and h equal to 0.1. Therefore this equation becomes y1 raised to 1 equal to y0 is 0 plus h is 0.1 upon 2 into f of x0 y0 is f of x naught y naught, means f of 0 0 is 1 minus 0 1. F of x naught y naught equal to 1. So 1 plus 0.9, 1 plus 0.9 equal to 0 plus 0.1 upon 2 into 1.9. After simplification we get y1 raised to 1 equal to 0.095. This is the first approximation of y1. Now find second approximation of y1. For n equal to 1, y1 raised to 2 equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to 1. After putting n equal to 1 in this equation, we get y1 raised to 2 equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to 1. To find f of x1 y1 raised to 1, f of x1 y1 raised to 1 equal to f of x1 is 0.1, y1 raised to 1 is 0.095, 0.095 equal to 1 minus 0.095 equal to 0.905. Therefore, this equation becomes y1 raised to 2 equal to y naught is 0 plus h is 0.1 upon 2, f of x naught y naught is 1 plus f of x1 y1 raised to 1 is 0.905. After simplification we get y1 raised to 2 is 0.09525. y1 raised to 2 equal to 0.09525. Here we observe that y1 raised to 1 equal to y1 raised to 2. 0.095, here also 0.095, only difference between in these decimals, means approximately first approximation and second approximations are equal. So we take y1 raised to 2 equal to y1, which is equal to 0.09525. So at x1 equal to 0.1 we get y1 equal to 0.09525, which is correct to 4 decimal places. Now next with x1 equal to 0.1, y1 equal to 0.09525 and h equal to 0.1, we continue the procedure to obtain y2. For y2 we take x2 equal to 0.2. So y of 0.2 equal to what? That means we solve on the interval, closed interval 0.1 to 0.2. Here x1 equal to 0.1, y1 equal to 0.09525. Therefore, zeroth approximation of y2 is y1 plus h f of x1 y1, which is equal to y1 is 0.09525 plus h is 0.1 into f of x1 y1, f of x1 0.1, y1 is 0.09525, which is equal to 0.09525 plus 0.1 into 1 minus 0.09525, which is equal to 0.09525 plus 0.1 into 1 minus 0.09525 is 0.90475. After simplification, we get 0.1857. y2 raised to 0, and here x2 is 0.2. Then f of x2 y2 raised to 0 is f of x2 is 0.2, y2 raised to 0 is 0.1857, which is equal to 1 minus y2 raised to 0 means 1 minus y, which is 0.1857 equal to 0.8143. This is nothing but the value of xy. F of xy is 1 minus y. F of x2 y2 raised to 0 means f of 0.2 0.1857. F of x2 y2 raised to 0 means 1 minus y2 raised to 0, which is nothing but the 1 minus 0.1857 equal to 0.8143. Now, by modified Euler's iteration formula, we obtain y2 raised to 1 equal to y1 plus h upon 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 0, which is equal to y1 is 0.09525 plus h is 0.1 upon 2. F of x1 y1 is f of x1 y1 means 1 minus 0.09525, which is equal to 0.90475. 0.90475 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 0 is 0.8143. 0.8143. 1 minute. One 857. 0.8143. After simplification, we get 0.1812. Maybe your value is different because in Calc, when we putting these values, if your Calc is not fixed, then your answer is maybe different. y2 raised to 1 is 0.1812. This is the first approximation of y2. Now for second approximation, y2 raised to 2 equal to y1 plus h upon 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 1 equal to y1 is 0.09525 plus h is 0.1 upon 2. F of x1 y1 is 0.90475 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 1 is x2 is 0.2, y2 raised to 1 is 0.1812, which is equal to 0.09525 plus 0.1 upon 2, 0.90475 plus 1 minus 0.1812. After simplification, we get 0.1814. This is the second approximation of y2. Now find f of x2 y2 raised to 2 equal to f of x2 is 0.2, y2 raised to 2 is 0.1814 equal to 1 minus 0.1814 equal to 0.8186. Third approximation of y2 is y2 raised to 3 equal to y1 plus h upon 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 2 equal to y1 is 0.09525 plus h is 0.1 upon 2, f of x1 y1 is 0.90475 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 2 is 0.8186. 0.8186. After simplification we get y2 raised to 3 equal to 0.1814. Therefore, y2 raised to 2 equal to 0.1814. Here y2 raised to 3 equal to 0.1814. So here we stop to finding the approximate value of y2. Therefore, y2 equal to y2 raised to 3 equal to 0.1814. y2 is y of 0.2 equal to 0.1814. Y of 0.2 is, we get after simplification 0.1814. So this is nothing but the example of modified Euler's method. See step by step. Next is some example of your exercise. First example, solve by modified Euler's method the initial value problem. Initial value problem are in the form of differential equation dy by dx equal to x square plus y with initial conditions y of 0 equal to 1. Choose h equal to 0.05 and compute y of 0.1. Same method of previous example. Next example, second. Given dy by dx equal to 1 minus y upon x with initial condition y of 2 equal to 2, compute y of 2.1 by modified Euler's method. Taking h equal to 0.05. Next example, third. Using Euler's modified method, solve numerically the equation dy by dx equal to x plus mod of root y with initial condition y of 0 equal to 1, compute y of 0.6 in steps of 0.2. Here you have to calculate y1, y2, y3, and for y3 first zeroth approximation is y3 raised to 0 equal to y2 plus h f of x2 y2, and first approximation of y3 is y3 raised to 1 equal to y2 plus h upon 2 f of x2 y2 plus f of x3 y3 raised to 0. For second approximation, y3 raised to 2 equal to y2 plus h upon 2 f of x2 y2 plus f of x3 y3 raised to 1. And for third approximation, y3 raised to 3 equal to y2 plus h upon 2 f of x2 y2 plus f of x3 y3 raised to 2. First calculate y1, y2 and their approximations value, and then y3. y3 is nothing but the y of 0.6. Here h is 0.2. Here we stop.